Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve the workbook cannot be opened or repaired by Microsoft Excel because it is corrupt. Error. This error appears when you try to open or access a corrupt Excel document. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix the workbook cannot be opened or repaired error using 6 fixes. Solution 1. Rename the Excel file. The very first solution you can try is renaming your Excel file. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. Solution 2. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause issues when opening or working on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. If the workbook cannot be opened or repaired error has occurred due to file corruption, you can use the Open and Repair tool. It is a built-in Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to the workbook cannot be opened or repaired error. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 6. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing the workbook cannot be opened or repaired by Microsoft Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.